The mid-size truck segment has become increasingly competitive, with manufacturers fighting for market share through innovation and capability improvements. The 2026 Ford Ranger enters this battlefield with significant advantages that position it ahead of rivals like the Toyota Tacoma, Chevrolet Colorado, and Nissan Frontier. Understanding these competitive advantages reveals why the Ranger stands as the superior choice for buyers who demand the best combination of performance, technology, and value. Reason 7. 3 purpose-built powertrains. Most competitors force buyers to choose between just 2 engine options, but Ford provides 3 distinct powertrains, each engineered for specific customer needs. The 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder serves as the efficiency champion, delivering 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque while achieving 23 miles per gallon combined in rear-wheel drive configuration. This base engine matches or exceeds the capability of competitor mid-level engines while maintaining superior fuel economy. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 fills the performance gap that competitors leave unaddressed. This twin-turbo power plant generates substantial output with 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just 5.6 seconds, providing approximately 1.5 seconds improvement over the base engine. The additional 45 horsepower and 90 pound-feet of torque create noticeable differences during highway merging and mountain grade climbing. Ford offers this mid-level performance option for just $2,200, making enhanced capability accessible without requiring buyers to jump to top-tier trims. The exclusive 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 in the Ranger Raptor produces 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, competing directly with sports cars rather than standard trucks. This engine features anti-lag technology that keeps turbos spooled for up to 3 seconds after throttle liftoff in Baja mode, eliminating the lag that plagues competitor performance trucks during rapid throttle transitions. No rival offers this level of technological sophistication in their mid-size truck lineup. Reason 6. Superior towing capacity. Across the lineup, maximum towing capability separates serious trucks from pretenders, and the Ranger delivers 7,500 pounds of capacity with both the 2.3-liter 4-cylinder and 2.7-liter V6 engines when properly equipped. This figure matches or exceeds most competitors' maximum ratings, but Ford achieves this capability as standard equipment rather than requiring expensive option packages or top-tier trim levels. The Toyota Tacoma requires buyers to choose specific configurations and add optional packages to reach comparable towing numbers, while the Chevrolet Colorado achieves higher maximum ratings only with its largest engine option. The Ranger provides 7,500 pound capability with the base engine, giving budget-conscious buyers access to serious towing without forcing them into higher trim levels or expensive upgrades. Reason 5. Class-leading technology integration. Ford's approach to technology integration surpasses competitors through comprehensive standard equipment and available advanced features. The Sync 4 infotainment system with 12-inch touchscreen comes standard on XLT and higher trims, providing intuitive operation with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The system responds quickly to inputs without the lag that plagues competitor systems, and the large screen size makes navigation and vehicle settings easily accessible. The Ford Co-Pilot 360 Safety Suite comes standard across the lineup, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and rear cross-traffic alert. Competitors often charge extra for these features or restrict them to higher trim levels, but Ford includes them as standard equipment even on base XL models. This approach democratizes advanced safety technology rather than treating it as a luxury feature. Reason 4. Segment best fuel efficiency. Without sacrificing capability, fuel economy represents a critical factor in total cost of ownership, and the Ranger achieves superior efficiency compared to rivals without compromising capability. The 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder delivers 21 miles per gallon city, 26 miles per gallon highway, and 23 miles per gallon combined in rear-wheel drive configuration. These figures exceed the Toyota Tacoma's base 4-cylinder ratings, despite the Ranger producing significantly more horsepower and torque. The efficiency advantage extends beyond just the base engine. The 2.7-liter V6 achieves 19 miles per gallon city, 23 miles per gallon highway, and 20 miles per gallon combined, despite producing performance that rivals or exceeds competitor V6 engines with larger displacements. This efficiency comes from advanced technologies, including twin-scroll turbochargers with electronic wastegates, direct and port fuel injection, and sophisticated engine management systems that optimize combustion across the operating range. Reason 3. Raptor off-road performance. No competitor can match the Ranger. Raptor stands alone in the mid-size truck segment as a factory-built off-road performance machine that requires no aftermarket modifications to dominate extreme terrain. The Fox 2.5-inch live valve. Adaptive shocks adjust damping in real time based on terrain conditions and driving inputs, providing both comfort during highway cruising and control during high-speed desert running. This suspension technology comes from Ford's Baja Racing program, representing genuine competition-proven engineering rather than marketing hype. The coil spring rear suspension provides greater wheel travel and improved ride quality compared to the leaf springs used by most competitors. This design choice prioritizes high-speed off-road capability over maximum payload capacity, reflecting Ford's commitment to genuine performance rather than spec sheet bragging rights. The suspension geometry allows for controlled articulation during rock crawling while maintaining stability during jump landings and high-speed whoops. The full-time four-wheel drive system with electronic locking front and rear differentials provides traction advantages that part-time systems cannot match. The system distributes power to all four wheels continuously, eliminating the driveline shock that occurs when engaging part-time four-wheel drive. Reason 2. Interior quality and refinement. Above class standards, step inside the Ranger and the quality difference becomes immediately apparent compared to competitors. The dashboard design incorporates soft touch materials across high contact areas rather than the hard plastics found in rival trucks. The door panels feature padded armrests and quality trim pieces that feel substantial rather than hollow, creating an impression of durability and thoughtful engineering. The available leather seating surfaces provide genuine comfort during long drives, with supportive bolsters that hold occupants securely without feeling restrictive. The front seats offer heating and ventilation functions that work effectively, providing rapid temperature adjustment during extreme weather conditions. The rear seats accommodate adults comfortably with adequate legroom and headroom, making the Ranger suitable for families rather than just solo drivers. Reason 1. Unbeatable value proposition. Across trim levels, the Ranger's pricing structure provides superior value compared to competitors when accounting for standard equipment and capability. The base XL model starts around $33,500 in rear-wheel drive configuration, including features that competitors charge extra for or restrict to higher trims. This entry price provides access to genuine truck capability without forcing buyers into expensive upgrades they may not need. The XLT trim at approximately $37,000 represents the sweet spot in the lineup, including LED lighting, wireless charging, navigation, and the Ford Co-Pilot 360 safety suite. Competitor trucks require jumping to mid or upper trim levels to access comparable equipment, often pushing prices several $1,000s higher for equivalent features and capability. The 2.7-liter V6 upgrade costs just $2,200, providing substantial performance improvement for reasonable investment. Competitors often bundle engine upgrades with expensive option packages or restrict them to top trim levels, forcing buyers to spend significantly more to access enhanced powertrains. Ford's approach allows buyers to add performance capability without paying for features they may not want or need. The 2026 Ford Ranger dominates the midsize truck segment through superior engineering, thoughtful feature implementation, and competitive pricing that provides genuine value. From 3 purpose-built powertrains to class-leading technology, from unmatched Raptor off-road capability to interior quality that rivals premium vehicles, the Ranger delivers advantages that competitors simply cannot match. For buyers who demand the best combination of performance, capability, and value, the choice is clear. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.